So as a beginner makeup artist, here are some of the products that I think you can try that are really nice and effective, and you don't have to break the bank to get those very high expensive products. But these products that I'm going to be mentioning, they are good and they are very effective, and they also give you very good results. Number one is the Blossom Makeup Micellar Water. Okay, this product is very nice in the sense that it removes dirt from your client's face. You don't have to apply your makeup on a dirty face. Okay, so this makeup product is very important, and it's not even expensive at all. As a makeup artist that's just upcoming, you just need this product. Okay, look at it, take a screenshot of it. Another product that I would like to bring to your notice is this Flawless Ivy Moisture Cream. Look at it here. This cream is very nice in the sense that it's suitable for all skin type, moisturizes your client's face or your face if you're using it on yourself, and it prevents any skin reaction that might occur after the makeup. Some persons, after doing makeup, their face start breaking up and everything, but this product, I've tried them and it prevents any of such. Like, it even cleanses your client face more after the makeup. The day after, no breakouts, no skin reaction for those that have sensitive skin. So this product is very good, and the best part is it's very affordable for you as a beginner makeup artist. You need it. This is it. Number 3 on our list is this Classic Mattifying Face Primer. My god, this product is the bomb. Like, I'm not even hyping it, but this product is a game changer. Is a game changer. Do you know what it means for your client to call you and tell you that after hours of wearing your makeup and it's not breaking, like they can wear it from morning till night? This product is underrated. Like, this Classic Mattifying Primer is really underrated, and I think you should try it. Very affordable. Like, you don't even need to break the bank to get it, and it gives what you should give. This product is not expensive. You should try it. It's really nice, guys. It's very good. Another product on my list that you should try as a beginner makeup artist that is not expensive but is nice is this Image 12 color concealer. Like, it is full coverage concealer, and the product is just what you need. One is a palette, and you don't need to start buying different colors of concealer, and the product is big. Like, the concealer inside is going to last you for enough time till you replace them. You don't need to spend too much money, but it gives you the different colors or shades that you need to work on different clients. Like, it covers very well, so you should try it. It's not even expensive at all, and it covers really well. I highly recommend this very concealer, Image 12 color concealer. The last product for today's review that I think you should try that is very effective yet not expensive is this Ivy Belle foundation. Ivy Belle foundation, perfect skin, active wear all day. It's long lasting. You can wear it all day. It doesn't crack, and it covers very well, guys. Like, this product, it covers really well. You should try it. It's not expensive yet it works really very nice. Look at it here. Perfect skin is from Ivy Belle Cosmetics. So I think you should try it. So these are the few products I want to list today. You can follow my channel for more products that is not expensive, okay, that you can use as a beginner makeup artist.